Happy Tuesday, everybody, and thank you for joining me for your daily Pokemon pack opening. Please like and subscribe to see more daily Pokemon pack openings. Today we're opening a Brilliant Stars. Looking for a Charizard, maybe an Umbreon. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Let's get it started. Fracture, Gloria, Dusclops, Nosepass, Dedenne, Kabachu with some snot coming out of its nose, Shinx, Farfetch'd with that crazy drawing, Blunder Policy, Reverse, and Moltres Hollow Rare. Thanks for joining me today, guys. See y'all tomorrow.